Welcome back to my channel, the best place for anybody who loves ballroom dancing. Today I'm going to do something special. So take a look. Hello! How do you like my new costume today? I'll be teaching you from the beginning to the end using my professional dance costume. Hello amazing dancers! My name is Leon from Leonary Dance School. Today I'm going to teach you the beginner's solo routine for your own practice at home. I'm going to go into the name of the steps, and now here it goes. We start with the back basic into a 3 cha-cha-cha. And from here we're going to go into the Cuban breaks. And next step we're going to go into the spot turn to the left. And next step, we're going to do a crossing chassé. And from here, I'm going to do a syncopated check action to 3 back locks. And from here, I'm going to go back into the beginning step, which is the 3 cha-cha-cha. Now, I'm going to teach you the timing for the step. So here we go. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Repeat from the beginning. 2, 3, 4 and 1. This beginner solo cha-cha step can be done by the men and ladies, but there are differences in the men and ladies whereby I'm going to give you some tips at the end so that you can follow. I'll give the tips for the men and ladies separately. So wait till the end. Before we get into the final technique, I want you to get better in dance. To do that, I want you to join me here every week, Saturday, for your free dance lesson. Hit the subscribe button down below here and turn on the bell notification. And don't miss your free dance lesson. Let's all get better together by doing these lessons. Let's get on to the next technique. So now, for the men's tip, mostly is in the hands. So first I'm going to go into the first beginning step. So in the beginning first step, and when I do a back basic, my hands goes to back and forward, and I stop there. So we go 2. And you can see that my left hand, I'm kept on the hips. 2. In this position, okay? So the next area would be in the Cuban break. In the Cuban break, I'm gonna turn it inside this way in the cucaracha action. So 2 and 3, 4 and 1. So men, space is bigger. We have to use more space so that we look more manly. Now I'm going to go into the lady's hand. Ladies' hand, there's many ways that we can do, but mainly the ladies' hand that I'm teaching you cannot be used by the men. Okay, so take a look. Specifically for the lady, we're going to go a back basic. The hands will be going up, but the left hand will be on the hips. Okay, so one more time and go 2. Okay, I'm moving it to the side and go 2. So this action is reserved only for the ladies. Next, the second one would be when you do a Cuban break, I want the hands to be pointed forward. I'll show you. 2 and 3, you see? So 2 and 3, 4 and 1. From the side view, take a look and go 2 and 3, 4 and 1. You have to create a very soft feeling. And again, this is only reserved for the beautiful ladies showing a flexible and soft wrist action. Another place would be after the 3 cha-cha-cha, we do the hands on the face. This is called the mask hand action. So we go 4 and 1. Okay, so you're going to see through your fingers here. Okay, this is only reserved for the ladies again. It is a very beautiful but artistic way of expressing your hand action. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will get new videos in your inbox every time.